Okay, happy freaking Halloween, day before Halloween, and this is it, baby. There's like 20 inches on the back porch, and pretty nasty. Trees down everywhere. Mumsy's coop, driveway's pretty messed up. It's just incredible. Mumsy likes it. I don't know how I'm supposed to plow all this, but it's like cement. Holy smokes. They weren't lying. They weren't lying. Wow. The chicken pen is just completely white. Chain link fence solid. Can't see through it. These trees have snapped. And they look like they're going to come down. Holy smokes. This is crazy. Looks like a winter wonderland. Wow. Look at this.